Hi, welcome to Optimal Health and Vitality After 50. My name is Trisha O'Hara. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. So today I would like to talk about the importance of sleep for muscle growth as we age. Did you know that sleep quality and duration directly impacts your muscle growth? Without adequate sleep, our performance drops dramatically. To gain muscle, you need two main things. First, you need to make sure you're eating enough protein, and secondly, performing the right exercises, especially resistance training. Performing at 12 to 15 reps for muscle hypertrophy and 4 to 6 reps if you're interested in building strength. If you don't know what muscle hypertrophy is, muscle hypertrophy occurs when the muscle tissue sustains microscopic tears. Your body then repairs the damage through a cellular process. It fuses muscle fibers to form new muscle proteins. These repaired muscle fibers grow in number and thickness during this process, which produces muscle growth known as hypertrophy. The whole process happens when you sleep, not during the resistance training or exercises. So besides being vital for growth, sleep is essential for muscle recovery. During sleep is when our body replenishes muscle glycogen, which is our muscle's primary source of fuel. Also during sleep, our body releases the highest amount of HGH. If you don't know what HGH is, it's human growth hormone. And HGH plays a major role in cell repair, muscle growth, and recovery. So in understanding sleep a little better, we sleep in 4 to 6 cycles a night, each lasting about 90 minutes. In each cycle, you have 4 stages, 3 stages which are non-REM and 1 stage which is REM. REM standing for rapid eye movement. Now, it's during stage 3 of the non-REM, the deep sleep, which especially between the hours of 10 p.m. and 2 a.m., when HGH secretion is at its peak, promoting muscle growth and recovery. So deep sleep, in other words, is key into building and repairing muscle. Now, as the night goes on, deep sleep decreases and REM sleep increases. Now, in REM sleep, rapid eye movement is when you tend to have vivid dreams. That's why, like a lot of times in the morning, you might remember a really vivid dream because you probably just had it within the hour, a couple hours before you woke up. Now, REM sleep is also responsible for processing information, memory consolidation. Now, it's also during the REM sleep when our bodies burn more calories and promote fat loss during this stage. During REM sleep, our brains start to become more active and our heart rate increases. So all in all, it's important to get sleep not only for muscle growth and recovery, but also for processing things, memory, and overall, well health. So good health. Sorry, that didn't make sense. Good health. Now, as you've probably heard many, many times over, the important number of hours of sleep is 8 hours. But when they talk about 8 hours, they're not just talking about the quantity of sleep, but they're talking about the quality of sleep. So you want to make sure that you're getting 8 hours of quality sleep, because they've done studies where they did studies on participants that got 8 hours of sleep and the other group had only 6 hours of sleep. And they found that the group that had 8 hours of sleep performed daily tasks better, were less irritable, were 55% better at fat burning, versus the participants that only got 6 hours of sleep. They were more irritable. They couldn't follow through on tasks. They actually gained weight because when you get less sleep, your cortisol levels rise and you tend to grab more sugary, starchy foods, thus gain weight. They also found in this group of participants that there was an increased risk of chronic health conditions. And over a long time of doing this study, they actually found that people that got 6 or less hours of sleep actually decreased their lifespan by 10 years. So remember, we want to talk about not only having a longer lifespan, but a healthy lifespan. So it's really important that you make sleep a priority and also practice good sleep hygiene. And if you don't know what I mean by that, I will link a video up above of tips on how to get a good night's sleep. But some are to make sure that you sleep in the dark, and that being is that our skin has photoreceptors, so it's always trying to search for what time of day it is. So if you can sleep in the dark, that will promote that deeper, more restful sleep. Try to sleep also in quiet. I know that might be hard for people that live in the city. I know I used to live in New York City, so I was sleeping with eye shades and earplugs. But when you're sleeping in a loud environment, your brain never shuts off. It's always trying to search and process the information that it's hearing. So if you do live in the city, try to wear earplugs if you can to eliminate as much noise as you can. Also, try to shut off your electronic gadgets, your iPhones and your computers. Why? Because it emanates that blue light, and blue light mimics daylight. So that actually suppresses your melatonin, which is a hormone that helps you get to sleep. So if you have to be on your computer, then perhaps you can get some blue light blocking glasses, and that will help a little bit to fight the blue light if you have to be on your computer or phone, up until the time that you go to bed. Otherwise, they suggest try to turn it off an hour to 90 minutes prior. So those are just a few. Again, you can watch my video on important tips of getting a good night's sleep. So to summarize this video, sleep is the foundation of muscle gain and repair, and the working out and exercises and strength training is just the stimulus. So please, if you can, try to make, sleep a priority. If you're going to put all those hours into working out, then to get the most benefit out of it, it would be in your best interest to get a good night's sleep, especially during the hours of 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. It would really help the growth of my channel and get this video out to more people that are interested in this subject. And please leave a comment below and let me know other subjects you're interested in, because again, I'm making this content for you so that you can live not only a longer lifespan, but a healthy lifespan. So again, I appreciate your time in watching this video, and I hope you go out and have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.